Hello guys, review ZTE Blade A56. This version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box, look completion. We have 6.75 90 Hz display, 5000 mAh battery, face unlock, fingerprint unlock, 13 megapixels AE main camera. Okay, gold color device. And in completion we have key for SIM slot, protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, good completion. On the outside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side power button, wall buttons. HD IPS display. We have open settings. About phone we have myOS 15 and Android version 15. Okay. Geekbench 6, CPU Unisoc T7200 and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark, okay, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load, and game load on the medium graphic level. Okay, close this. Game works on the medium graphic level and works good. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.